Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. I was going to film a tutorial on like my everyday makeup tutorial thing, but some stuff has went down, so I think it's better I do a get ready with me so I can run my mouth a little bit more. So yeah, today I'm just going to be doing my makeup and talking about me getting scammed $4,000 and just life updates and stuff like that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Let me put my hair back. I've been posting on Instagram about it because I share all my business. So basically I was trying to buy my boyfriend a Doberman because that's a very sentimental animal to him. And it's just like his dream dog, you know, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna get him a Doberman. And I basically was looking online for some, and I know that selling dogs online is like a normal thing. A lot of people do sell dogs online because it just gives them more clientele and stuff. I had just figured that it wasn't going to be an issue. I know that that sounds stupid and it's like, girl, you're buying something online, it's obviously like not okay. I had someone on Twitter laugh at me like, LOL, she tried buying a dog online. But it's actually a thing that a lot of people do. I just unfortunately did not do enough research on it. Pet selling online is actually a really big area of scamming. A lot of people do scam with that. Even though it is a real thing, people do actually sell legitimate dogs online. It's also a very big area of scamming, so I wasn't aware of that. I should have definitely done my research. I don't really know how much in detail I should go, but basically they were selling the dog for a certain price. I was like, okay, not bad. Sent them money, and they I started getting texts from a shipping company, and they started asking for more money on there regarding the dog shipping, and that already should have been a red flag, but I wasn't aware of the process. I know I should have been, but I wasn't. And they were basically asking for money for like a temperature controlled crate, all that stuff. And there was another thing that they had asked money for and I had sent it, so I sent 2 extra payments to them. But basically, they scammed me and never got the dog, whatever. So I filed a police report and I've contacted the person in charge of my case, whatever. And there's not much they can do regarding the money. They were like, typically people don't get their money back with stuff like this, but you know, the person will either get like jail time or nothing will happen, basically. So I'm hoping there's a small chance I get my money back just because it is a big sum of money and it was a part of my savings. So it's a pretty short story. I'm not going to go too much into detail, but basically it has had a big effect on like my mental health and everything, just because I've honestly been doing fine. I've been taking my medication, I've been going to therapy pretty regularly and all that, and I have a job now, so it's been fine. But stuff like, I just get triggered by things very easily, especially if it's like a small thing. I'm already set over the edge, but this is a pretty big thing for me. Not just because of the money, like money can be replaceable, whatever, but I had gotten my boyfriend like invested in the dog and like he wasn't coming. So I just felt like an asshole for getting his hopes up and then not getting the dog. And also, it just sucks that people do that. I know that some people don't have ways of getting jobs, or it's easy money for them and they have families or whatever, so I understand like the motive, whatever, but it just does suck that it's a thing, because like they don't know who they're doing it to. I mean, they shouldn't do it regardless if someone's under good circumstances financially or mentally or whatever. It's just a wrong thing to do. But they have no idea like what the person they're doing to is going through, and if I didn't have the support system I had, something like that could definitely have set me over the edge, and I could have, you know what I'm saying? I can't do much about it right now, so it is what it is, which sucks, but why dwell on it if I cannot change my idiocy? You know what I'm saying? I did find a dog breeder in Texas that had puppy Dobermans, so I did end up finding one for my boyfriend, and we're getting him in June. So that did help a little bit, knowing that something good did come out of it. Moral of the story, please do not buy dogs online unless you personally know the owner or there's some other circumstance. Just please don't be naive like me, because I tend to give people the benefit of the doubt, especially if there's other people involved, because if it was just my dog, maybe I would have been like, I can honestly like wait a second to get the dog or whatever. It would have been different, but since there was other people involved, I felt the need to get the dog sooner. Damn, I've just been getting through this face routine, get into it. I can honestly do my makeup in like 30 minutes, which is pretty good. For a full face, you know. Damn it, I need more concealer on this eye. I probably should do like the color correcting thing. Like I think a lot of people either do green or red or something like that to cancel out the darkness. But I don't know if I care enough. I mean, I obviously care enough to put 3 layers of big ass concealer on my face, but I got Red Bull today and yesterday and the day before that. So since I work at a coffee shop, did I mention I work at a coffee shop? I drink a lot of caffeine and I can't really function without it, but it's fine because it just gives me another thing to add to my list of things to do every day. I have a really bad spending problem, right? Like retail therapy, because for some reason I've decided to associate happiness with materialistic items. Not even that, because I don't consider myself like a materialistic girl. I don't really care about like name brands or like that. I don't care, and I don't like, I would definitely not choose like material items over like my pet, like my dog Phoebe, or like my sisters or anything. But retail therapy has been something I've been using for therapy for years, because I don't know if y'all are like aware of my situation or whatever, but throughout all of high school and most of middle school I've been severely depressed. And during that time I had kind of blown up on YouTube and all that sort of stuff. So I was making a lot of money for a 15-year-old. And I don't really talk about money on here, like YouTube wise, because I always told myself, like, honestly, I'm not, sorry guys, I'm not gonna make YouTube about the money, because I know that some people do see YouTube as a job, which is totally fine, that's their thing, whatever, but I did not want to make it about the money, especially because people are involved, and it's not like a normal job where you're literally making money for you and nobody's involved, it's you, you're working, you're making money, whatever. But I obviously have done like sponsorships and stuff like that, and honestly, like, I did sponsorships for money, but the main reason I did sponsorships was so it would force myself to post. Like, it was literally in writing that I had to get a video up, and most times, honestly, like, having sponsored content was the only way I would get myself to post a video, because I had to, like, I literally had to. And when I was like severely like depressed and couldn't get shit done, that was like my main way of getting myself to literally having to do it. What am I saying? I don't even know why I'm saying that. I genuinely do like posting for you guys, and obviously me, because I do enjoy it. It's not as much as I used to, but it's also because I have more responsibility now than I used to, and there's a whole bunch of shit that like goes into it. But I just don't want y'all to have to worry about like, oh, she's just posting for the money, because that's not the case. Where's my brush? I found it. Anyways, also I don't do my brows now. Did y'all notice that? I didn't even do them. I usually just like brush them and add like either brow gel or a little bit of powder, just cause like I don't give a fuck anymore. Obviously I care to put 10 layers of foundation and concealer and primer on my face, but I don't care that much. And I have to do my brows, which honestly would take the least amount of time, but there's a hair. My teeth are yellow. Bro, that 4K could have gone to teeth whitening. Ugh. I'm just kidding, I wouldn't pay for teeth whitening. Y'all are like, you should consider it. No, I don't like dentist. Also, I don't know if I mentioned this to y'all, but I did quit cosmetology school. Yeah, I quit everything I do, typically. I don't remember what I was saying. Also, you know what really makes me upset? So when I was getting scammed, there was a guy that I would talk to on the phone about the shipping, and he was literally, he seemed like such a such a nice guy. Like, he would say, have a blessed day. I was like, you too. While he was sucking me dry. How can people do that? He was probably a Gemini. That was also a complete joke. I'm not, Geminis are fine. I was just making like a dumb Zodiac Twitter joke. Like, I know that that's just a very, anyways. So I got these shorts from the thrift store, like a rave brand, like a vintage rave brand. They're cute. I think mine might look good. Someone also, someone messaged me when I told them I lost a lot of money. They were like, you should start an OnlyFans, girl. I was like, girl, don't even tell me. Like, people on OnlyFans want to see my crooked ass back all over their content page or whatever it's called. I'm just kidding. There's nothing against people with scoliosis. I literally have scoliosis and it was a joke. My back is actually really cute. It just hurts me a lot of the times, which is whatever. But if y'all see me on OnlyFans, mind your business. Just kidding, I don't think I could ever do that. I'm too insecure for all that. And I'm also too scared of like old men to do that. I don't respect old men enough to do OnlyFans. I really wanted to get like a Brazilian wax or something. Because I just want to experience new things. I think that would be just so funny. And I want more friends, so maybe the lady who would do it would be my best friend. I don't know. You never know. So, I actually do this makeup inspired by this girl on TikTok that I follow. This is her ad. Hopefully it doesn't rain today. I don't feel like dealing with that right now. Oh, someone texted me. Nobody texted me. Bro, the follow. Ugh. I really be smoking that shit out, huh? So I was working. Bro, it looks like garbage. Who did that? Who did that? I'm not even gonna say anything like trust the process because I cannot tell you how this is gonna turn out. So honestly, zoned out while I was doing this shit. So, bro, this fallout makes me want to throw myself in jail. I had a dream the other day that I met Harry Styles, right? So I met Harry Styles, and this bitch literally. So I went up to him, and I really felt so annoying. I was like, oh my god, are you Harry? Like, is it okay if we talk for a second? And he was like, he was on the phone. He's like, what the fuck? No, get away from me. And he was really mean to me. And it made me really sad. I woke up like sweating because I felt so anxious and sad. Something like that would like make me refrain from ever stopping and saying hi to him if I ever saw him in public. But no, I'm still planning on doing that if I see him. And he's gonna love it. And he's gonna give me $4,000 because he's a millionaire. And he's like, I heard, I actually do watch your videos, Rachel. I watch them religiously and I follow you on Instagram, and you know, I saw your situation and I would just love to help you out and give you $4,000 plus compensation for any therapy you might need after this. And I think that he would definitely do that for me. So guys, I've been doing the half lash thing. So I hate to jump on every bandwagon possible, but I got these like Ardell lashes from Ulta. Buy one, get one 50% off. Thank you so much. And they're actually so cute. This is what the packaging looks like. Comes with 3 different sets, but they're all separated. Like there's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, whatever. These ones I use at the top, the longest ones. Damn it! The worst part about acrylics is highlight in the inner corner, because I feel like I know that some people do brushes. They use brushes for the inner corner highlight, but I feel like the finger just like always hits different. You know what I'm saying? I better look good. That's all I'm gonna say, because I haven't done makeup in a while. I also didn't shower for like 5 days. The clouds better not come out today, because it better go away, because I've been wanting to do some pictures. Owie. My butt's getting stuck to the chair. Wow, only an MUA could do lash placement like that, to be honest. Oh my god. Okay, so I don't know where the line is to like not talk about like farts and stuff like that, or like just like shit and like stuff like that, because I don't know like if it's too much or if I should just like shut up. But sometimes I feel like I overdo it and I never know if it's like just impolite or like whatever. I don't know. But I wanted your opinion. So I fart in front of my boyfriend, and I was just wondering if that was like abnormal or if it's okay, or like, I mean, I'm gonna do it regardless because like whatever. But a lot of everybody I've asked, everybody's like, no, I don't do that shit. I don't know. I asked Anna and she was like, honestly, it's kind of rude. And I was like, what do you want me to do? Hold it and shit on your floor? Like, I don't know what y'all want from me. So I was just wondering. Sorry. Also, Olivia Rodrigo, can we just talk about her for 2 seconds, please? I literally love her. Like, I absolutely love her. Her album is amazing. If this album had come out when my ex-boyfriend had cheated on me, like with multiple times, like with multiple people, and like, you know, gave me all that trauma, like if this had come out then, are you kidding me? Like, she would have been my mother. Like, I would have asked her to legally adopt me. Like, I would have looked up to her more than anything. Because I get a really, like, hard, strong attachment to people who come out with very relatable music. Like, Harry Falling, Harry Cherry, Harry Sweet Creature. Like, Taylor Swift, All Too Well. Taylor Swift, Peace. Taylor Swift, all of her discography. Like, what the heck? So, I get a very, like, strong attachment to artists who come out with very relatable music to me. And like, enough for you, Olivia. Olivia, you did the damn thing. Olivia, you literally have affected me in a way that I can't express, you know what I'm saying? So if Sarah would have come out a year ago, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, damn. Usually when an artist gets very big very fast, a lot of people tend to shit on them because they get very popular, and people don't like popular things. People are weird. I know people just won't listen to her just because she's popular, and that's just annoying because she just seems like a very genuine good person all around. Literally love her. I would love to do her makeup. So if there's any way anybody can contact Miss Olivia and let her know that I am so down to do her makeup, please let me know, because that would be amazing. And I know exactly like what I would do. I would do like a little colorful look. I'd give her a little crease. If you ever need your makeup done, just let a bitch know. I talked to my boyfriend about her a lot, and I think he's over it. I think the point of that was me saying, if I see any Olivia slander, you're gonna get it from me. From lefty and right. This is it for this get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Anyways, so yeah, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video, which will be my graduation video. So yeah, thank you guys for being so kind. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you guys in my next video.